Crash Course, Lake Titicaca, a gem of the Andes. Lake Titicaca, nestled high in the Andes Mountains, is a place of enchantment and wonder. Straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia, this vast body of water is not only the largest lake in South America but also holds immense cultural and historical significance. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey to Lake Titicaca, exploring its fascinating stories, delving into its rich heritage, and uncovering the top 12 attractions that make it a must-visit destination. Legend has it that Lake Titicaca is the birthplace of the Incas, the ancient civilization that once thrived in the Andean region. According to Andean mythology, the god Viracocha emerged from the waters of the lake and created the sun, moon, and stars, as well as the first humans. This mythological connection adds to the mystical aura that surrounds the lake, captivating the imagination of visitors from around the world. As we explore Lake Titicaca, we encounter a tapestry of cultural traditions and ancient customs. The indigenous communities that inhabit the islands dotting the lake's surface, such as the Uros, Takwal, and Amantani people, have preserved their way of life for generations. Their unique customs, colorful traditional clothing, and intricate handicrafts offer a glimpse into a rich and vibrant cultural heritage. Here are the top 12 attractions that showcase the beauty and cultural significance of Lake Titicaca. 1. Uros Floating Islands. 2. Takwal Island. 3. Amantani Island. 4. Silistani. 5. Isla del Sol, Island of the Sun. 6. Isla de la Luna, Island of the Moon. 7. Copacabana. 8. Puno. 9. Chucuito. 10. Swasi Island. 11. Aramu Muru Doorway. 12. Titicaca National Reserve. The Uros Floating Islands, made entirely of totora reeds, are a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the Uros people. These man-made islands, which can be explored by boat, offer a unique glimpse into a way of life that has been passed down through generations. Takwal Island, known for its intricate textile artistry, is a place where time seems to stand still. The island's traditional communities have preserved their ancient weaving techniques, producing vibrant textiles that tell stories of their culture and history. A visit to Amantani Island provides an immersive cultural experience, as visitors have the opportunity to stay with local families and participate in their daily activities. From farming to fishing and traditional ceremonies, this island offers a genuine connection with the local community. Silistani, located near Lake Titicaca, is an ancient burial ground that showcases impressive funerary towers known as chulpas. These towering structures, constructed by pre-Inca and Inca civilizations, serve as a testament to their architectural prowess and spiritual beliefs. The Isla del Sol and Isla de la Luna, situated on the Bolivian side of Lake Titicaca, are steeped in Inca mythology. These islands were believed to be sacred places, and remnants of ancient temples and structures still stand as a testament to their significance. Copacabana, a charming lakeside town, is a popular starting point for exploring Lake Titicaca. Its beautiful basilica, home to the revered Virgen de Copacabana, draws pilgrims from far and wide. Puno, a bustling city on the Peruvian side of the lake, offers a vibrant blend of cultural experiences. From lively festivals to colorful markets, Puno serves as a gateway to the cultural wonders of Lake Titicaca. Chucuito, known as the city of the royal treasury, is renowned for its fertility temple, known as the Inca Uyo. This ancient site, with its phallic stone formations, was dedicated to fertility rituals and ceremonies. Swasi Island, a private island on Lake Titicaca, offers a tranquil retreat surrounded by natural beauty. Visitors can immerse themselves in the island's serene ambience, enjoy hiking trails, birdwatching, and witness stunning sunsets over the lake. The Aramu Muru Doorway, also known as the Gate of the Gods, is a mysterious stone structure located near Lake Titicaca. Legends and theories abound about the energetic properties and potential connections to ancient civilizations. Titicaca National Reserve, encompassing the lake and its surrounding areas, is a haven for biodiversity. The reserve is home to numerous species of birds, fish, and plants, making it a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Summarizing our journey to Lake Titicaca, we have explored the mystical legends, immersed ourselves in vibrant cultural traditions, and witnessed the awe-inspiring beauty of this remarkable destination. Lake Titicaca, with its sacred islands, ancient ruins, and enchanting communities, offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave a lasting impression. Poem. Lake Titicaca, Jewel of the Andes High. Where legends echo beneath the sky. From Uros Reed Islands to Takwal's art. a tapestry of culture that warms the heart. Amantani's embrace, a village in time. With hospitality and customs sublime. Silistani's chulpas, reaching for the stars. Whispering stories from ancient memoirs. Isla del Sol, where the Incas' tale unfolds. And Isla de la Luna, where mystery beholds. Copacabana's Basilica, a sacred retreat. Where pilgrims seek blessings, devotion complete. Puno's vibrant spirit, a cultural blend. Where festivals and markets never end. Chucuito's fertility temple, a timeless place. Where rituals of old find eternal grace. Swazi Island's tranquility, nature's embrace. A haven of serenity in a picturesque space. Aramu Muru's doorway, a gateway unknown. Where secrets lie, waiting to be shown. Titicaca National Reserve, nature's domain. Where biodiversity thrives, a vibrant terrain. Lake Titicaca, a treasure so grand. A destination cherished, by sea and land. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of the Andes, where mountains stand tall, lies Lake Titicaca, a wonder for all. Uro's floating islands, a marvel of reeds. Where ancient traditions meet modern needs. Chorus. Lake Titicaca, a tapestry divine. Cultural heritage, woven through time. From Taquil to Amantani, islands so fair. Ancient customs and warmth fill the air. Verse 2. Silistani's chulpas, reaching for the skies. Whisper tales of the past, where history lies. Isla del Sol, a sacred retreat. And Isla de la Luna, where legends meet. Chorus. Lake Titicaca, a tapestry divine. Cultural heritage, woven through time. From Taquil to Amantani, islands so fair. Ancient customs and warmth fill the air. Bridge. Copacabana's Basilica, a beacon of grace. Puno's lively spirit, a vibrant embrace. Chucuito's fertility temple, a testament strong. Where rituals echo, a connection lifelong. Chorus. Lake Titicaca, a tapestry divine. Cultural heritage, woven through time. From Taquil to Antani, islands so fair. Ancient customs and warmth fill the air. Outro. Lake Titicaca, a treasure untold. With nature's embrace, a beauty unfold. Plan your adventure, book your way. With our Booking.com referral link today. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.